Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we'll show how to replace the dead batteries in Holden flip key fobs using a Chevrolet fob as a stand-in. It's actually quite simple, and you'll need only the tip of a small screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. There are two key fob styles. The earlier model is a duplicate of the Chevrolet version. The second is a little different, and we'll get to it in a moment. Ignore the fact that the driver's seat is on the left. The battery is behind a cover at the back and bottom of the first fob as shown. Flip open the mechanical key. A little moderate finger pressure, and the cover is off. The battery is now exposed with its markings up. Note the lip that the battery is tucked under. The second fob also needs a cover on the rear removed. Use the screwdriver to pry it off at the recess shown. Once open, the battery is in exactly the same location, also with its markings up. Use the tip of the screwdriver in the visible opening to get beneath it, and out it comes. Slip the new battery in against the metal connections toward the bottom of the fob and under the plastic lip. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, it can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe the battery down again. Snap the cover back into place. With either fob, it only goes on one way. Test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.